Hey, I guess Sana Unklonso has completely lost his mind, planning an escape with Omahlomo. Luckily, Umtunzi is on to him. So Umtunzi decided to hire a car and follow Unklonso around. He quickly added 1 + 1 and realized that the person who might have adopted Umahlomo, it couldn't be any other person other than Unklonso. He therefore calls Mahlomo's kids, informs them that he highly strongly believes that Unklonso is the one who adopted Umahlomo. They quickly rush to Dintle's house. Dintle is overreacting at first, thinking that they are intruding in his, or rather in her house. They are trespassing. And she's like, listen, I'll call the cops. I want you out of my house now. But Ulihle is like, there are so many things that do not make sense here. First of all, you told me that my dad said he has borrowed money and he will pay my school fees, but my dad hasn't paid my school fees. So if he really needed that 80,000, what did he really needed it for? Okay. Surprisingly, Udintle thinks that he might have an idea where is Nhlonso hiding Umahlomo. So I guess in this storyline of Umahlomo, Umtunzi once again is a hero because he will be the one to rescue Umahlomo. And once Umahlomo is rescued, one thing that we do not know for sure is the future of Nhlonso. Will Nhlonso then go to prison, be charged with kidnapping, or will Umahlomo say, this is the father of my children, I do not want to press charges? At this point, it is quite unclear and it just does not make sense, okay? I don't know why Unklonso chose the route of kidnapping Umahlomo. I am strongly failing to understand that part. I feel like he could have easily divorce Udinhle or something. I don't know. I just do not understand Unklonso at this point. Now let's talk about TD. Oh, Sana TD is Dululu. Like Hingaya's ne Dululu, but le eka TD, it's on another level of delusional. Because why? Why is she this Dululu? Why is she this Dululu, that girl? She goes into saying that she is sick, she have a chronic disease, and she's worried. She have a chronic disease, she's worried. And really, that's how she plans to get married to Udivet, by making Udivet believe that indeed TD have this huge chronic disease. And I'm like, TD, my girl, TD may scat. Like, you honestly think this is worth it? Like, this is just how you want to get married to Divet? Deceiving and lying and, man, I don't know with TD. Like, I do not know with TD. But the crazy part is that she and Gidiboni are in it together. Crazy, I know. If there's someone who stays behind you and who encourages you and who wants to see you win, definitely that person has to be Thoriso. Like, hands down, Thoriso wants to see Poyet win. But definitely, if Poyet does not want to see himself winning, there is nothing that can be done at this point. There is absolutely nothing that can be done. It all depends on Poyet. Poyet, babe, do you want to see yourself win? Yes or no? Because there's absolutely nothing that can be done, okay? I must say, when it comes to Dintle and Nhlonso, that marriage to me is dead. It's boring and dead. But however, when it comes to Thoriso and Poyet, I'm hurt and I'm hopeful that Poyet Manchi will come to his senses very soon and realize that he's making a huge mistake. One of the biggest mistake of his life by letting Thoriso go. You don't let a woman like Thoriso go. You just don't. Okay, you just don't.
much, and realizes that Buyi definitely have ill intentions towards him and the relationship that he have with Uthoriso, just definitely does not wish him well at all.
What surprises me here ukuthi mother in love kaMahlomo uyeza lana uzobuza uMahlomo ukuthi kahle kahle kuhamba kanjani phakathi kwakhe benendodana yakhe phela uNhloso. uMahlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayi no kuyahamba khona akufani useyabuza ngilana ukuthi kodwa yona inkonzo yasekamereni isabanjwa nje. Hayi-ke uMahlomo uyasho ukuthi no inkonzo yasekamereni okwamanje kusathiwe nje pause, umother in love uyachaza ngelakho ukuthi no akuyona nje into enhle ukupauza phela noma ukumisa inkonzo yasekamereni, ngoba inkonzo yasekamereni iyona esikhathini esiningi evamise ukusondeza abantu noma ukwenza abantu bezizwe phela besondelene. Mangabe ke isifakiwe futhi kupause akube kusaba yinto enhle. Ayike uMahlomo ngelana uyasho ukuthi no yena nje akanayo inkinga nencane le inkinga nokuthi phela inkonzo yasekamereni ifakwe kupause. Uyasho ngelana uMahlomo ukuthi noma isingamiswa unomphele ke bandla umother in love wabe nje lahlekelwe, she lost her mind, and she then said lalela la wentombazane Mahlomo wena umamkhulu wala ekhaya, futhi ngoba umamkhulu wala ekhaya nje usuzoba nomnakweni awufuni ke phela ukuthi uNhloso ehambe eyohlala kamnakwenu engabe nje esabuya la ekhaya. Ayike uMahlomo yasho ukuthi kanti khulekayo wema anginayo nje mina inkinga ngisho nencane, noma ngathiwa uNhloso uyahamba uyohlala kamnakwethu akasabuyi nje kuzobe vele kusayifanele. And uyasho ke lana uMahlomo ukuthi kusiza ngani ukugxila enkonzweni yasekamereni, ngoba nangalesikhathi besagxilile kakhulu enkonzweni kwasekamereni lokho akukaze kumenze umyeni wakhe ukuthi ethembeke kuyena, so kusazifanela. And umother in love uyasho ke lana ukuthi no yena mhlawumbe insuku zakhe zokuthi ethuthe ebuyele ngasekhaya seziya ngokufika, so therefore uMahlomo lo kuzomela kube uyena uzofundisa umnakwabo ukuthi izinto la ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Wavuka nje libomvu uMahlomo ethubani yena, mina ngifundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto la ekhaya ngifile ngoba nje into engasoze ngayenza leyo, sobe ngakwazi mina ukufundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto zala ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Uyasho lana ukuthi yena nje mangabe kukhona umuntu ayoke emfundise ukuthi ini kuyobe kuwumfazi ke kaThuthuka, futhi yena ngoba nalapho kuyobe kumphoqa. Hayi-ke kuthe kusenjalo wangena uLuntuzana. Kayizini ngisacela ukunibuza lana ukuthi ngokwenu ukubona ngabe nibone ngathi umother in love ufe yini Nkosi yami, noma umother in love Nkosi yami usecacisile phela ukuthi no, if she has to choose a side she will definitely choose her son's side, which in a way ngiyamblame umother in love, in a way I can blame ekugcineni kosuku uNhloso iyona ndodana yakhe yange impela. So ke guysini uNhloso yelana futhi uyakhuluma ke noMahlomo. uNhloso guysini hayi ngeke shame akhona yini ngempela abadoda afana noNhloso. Ngiyazi phela mina into enjeni uNhloso kahle uyasigila. So ke uNhloso ke lana ubusy ke uphansi phezulu uyafuna uyacinga umatasatasa ucinga ke phela yona incwadi yamalobolo. Ubuza ngisho uMahlomo isibindi sikaNhloso sokubusa uMahlomo ukuthi uyayazi yini ukuthi incwadi yamalobolo ikuphi. Hayi bo weNhloso khuzeka weNhloso unqandeka kuse futhi
uMadlomo ke lana uyasho ukuthi hey lalela ke Nhloso angiyazi nje mina incwadi yakhe yamalobolo and uyasho ke lana ukuthi no ngisacela sikhulume uNhloso uyamdismissa uthi no sizobuye sikhulume kodwa okwamanje ngisafuna incwadi yamalobolo so that sizohamba siyoyenza umshado wethu ukuthi ube right ube legally mina noZinhle so that mina nawe sizophinde sishade futhi uMadlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi kahle kahle iyona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngawe leyo mina ngifisa wazi ukuthi angifuni ukuphinde ngishade nawe noma ukuphinde ngivuselele umshado wethu phakathi kwami nawe ngihappy nje ngokuthi umshado wethu usuhlezi ku divorce uNhloso uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayibo ukhuluma ngani manje Mahlobo engani sasikhulumile vele nasekuqaleni ukuthi sizolontuza sizohlukanisa so that ngizokwazi ukushada uDinhle so as soon as I'm done ngendaba kaDinhle sizohamba siyovuselela umshado wethu yey uMadlomo vele asihlalela wenhloso wena wakhuluma mina ngamamela mina nje into esengifisa ukuthi uyazi njengamanje ukuthi mina ngikhathele ngitikiwe finish okay ukuthi ngibe umfazi wakho ukuba umfazi wakho nje sekuyanginyanyisa angisakuthandi ngithi yes wena Madlomo stand your ground wena Madlomo like I've been rooting for Madlomo to stand her ground. I've been Team Madlomo all the way ngithi yes wena Madlomo I am all in support for you what you are actually doing I'm in support okay be you okay and it appears yelana ukuthi uNhloso Nkosi yami cares a little nge-opinion kaMadlomo nanokuthi uMadlomo uzizwa kanjani ey'ntweni ey'ningi kodwa ke guys akusela ndaba Nkosi yami like honestly like for me angisenayo indaba engako as long as uMadlomo is now standing her ground as long as uMadlomo she's now this person who's just like lalela wenhloso sengikhathele like sengi-right wena ndidikiwe ndi-sharp ndi-finish nje I just wish for you to understand ukuthi you have taken so much from me and since you have taken so much from me I am honestly tired and have no desire to continue being your wife okay ngifuna ukuthi sehlukaniso sibe khona sibe nje right and present okay meanwhile on the other side uDinhle she's trying so hard to explain to her kids so that they would understand ukuthi kahle what is polygamy. It seems like Dinhle's kids don't understand what is polygamy and all that. And uDinhle also is trying to justify it as much as she can. No, polygamy is not as bad as you think. Polygamy is actually a good thing. It brings families together. It avoids divorce, this and that. Well, we all know, of course, uDinhle will be in support and favor of polygamy because right now, uyena uzoba umamncane, okay? But if tables were turned, Dinhle was actually in Madlomo's shoes, she was gonna be crying, okay? She was gonna be crying and she was never gonna understand ukuthi ngobani kuzoze kuthiwa kuba nepolygamy ngoba kwenze njani polygamy ngoba kwenze njani but ke guys because uzoba umamncane I mean it's all roses right now uthi nje no isithembu yona into right it avoids black families breaking up this and that okay so guys please while sisakhuluma ngoMadlomo can you all tell me like let's just predict okay what do you all think do you think ukuthi uMadlomo lona do you think ukuthi uMadlomo she will actually not go uzohlala uMadlomo until or accepts uDinhle njengomamncane because uMadlomo usehlalile Nkosi yami wayeshila ukuthi nje yena angeke sekwazi but at the end of the day she just have people who influences her and she end up just accepting it is what it is. What choice do I have? This is my man. Do you think this time around uMahlomo is standing on business? Mahlomo is standing on business, and she's just like, lalela, oh, andifuna kwazi ukuthi ini akuyona ini. Like, I don't even wanna know at this point. Like, it's none of my business. I don't wanna know. Nje mina into engiyaziyo for sure ukuthi ngizothatha imithwalo yami off, gone. Do you all think uMahlomo, like, she have it in her? She have it in her to just be like, lalela, this is me gone right now. This is me gone. This is me going. Like, I would love for uMahlomo to leave uNhloso. Honestly, I feel like uNhloso just deserves udinhle wakhe, and uMahlomo deserve ukuthi ayikhulisele ingane zakhe in peace. And uNhloso at some point uyasho lana ukuthi no, if that's the case, then it's fine. He will not argue with his wife uMahlomo. Rather, he will make sure ukuthi uMahlomo umnikeza ispace bese yena eyayihambela eyayela and then he will go to live with uDinhle. Yes, Sana. I don't know. Is this the end of Mahlomo and Nhloso's marriage? It has been long coming. Honestly. This marriage should end. Meanwhile, we have uThalita. Why is Thalita having so many secrets? Like, what? Why? Okay, I don't know. Somehow, someway, uThalita have a child that is not his. Or rather, is it his? I don't know. But somehow, Thalita have a child that is not hers and has been raising it with her husband, and somehow uBridget find out, and now uBridget is threatening uThalita. At some point, uThalita was even considering working with Mthunzi. Guys, like, this is not like Thalita. Like, Thalita, my ma'am, who have you been? Okay, so uThalita is now working with Mthunzi, and they're now like conspiring how to get rid of Bridget, because Bridget has been sniffing, okay? And as soon as Bridget finds this information, she's gonna take the information to her husband, and that's the last thing she wants, okay? It seems like uThalita, she is on the mission of protecting herself and protecting her secret, And I'm like, Thalita babe, like, make it make sense, okay? Make it make sense at this point. Why do you have so much secrets? But anyway, I love the fact that Thalita agreed to eliminate uBridget, but she couldn't bring herself to it, She then calls uBridget in panic, in panic mode, to say, hey, Bridget, where are you? And wants uBridget to run away from the location, because that's the location that she had set up that uBridget will be eliminated in. And luckily, guys, uBridget is fine. Bridget was not harmed by Mthunzi. And at this point, uThalita really does not have a choice but to, kind of disclose her secrets to uBridget. And it does not look like uBridget is as willing, to keep a secret for uThalita, which I'm like, okay, but Bridget, bro, why are you poking your nose into other people's business? Like, your nose does not belong. And your nose is inside within other people's business, and this is not cute at all, But yeah, it does seem like as soon as uThalita Bridget finds out, because Bridget is very much close with uThebs, it does appear as if the first thing that she will do, she will just go and indulge everything with uThebs. Like, uThebs, oh, your mother have scandals in her bag, and this is what I found out about your mother. Guys, do you think that Thalita at this point should have just been like, it's his fate, let it be? Whatever that was meant to happen to Bridget will happen, and it's none of my business. let faith play its role. Do you think Talita was supposed to approach this whole thing with that mindset? At this point, I do. At this point, I do, and I don't care if it makes me a bad person, because Talita, babe, mind your own business. Like, for real. Mind your own business. Mind your own business, Talita. Like, for real. At this point, it's like, for real, mind your own business. Yo, Talita, guys, like, we are stressed.